Now that we understand what floor division is, let's get back into the algorithm here. So, we have our list initialized, we have our search item is 76, and step 1, find the middle item, and we're going to use this low plus high floor division 2. So where does the low plus high come out of? Well, this is to do with our indexing. So the low in this data set initially will be set to 0, and the high will be the index of the final element, which is 12. And you will get that using your length of list minus 1. So the low there, as I said, is 0 and the high is 12. And doing out that calculation to get the middle item, 0 plus 12 is 12. Floor division 2 is 6. Therefore, the middle item is located in index position 6, which is 62. So this is where our middle item is located. Now we do a comparison. We compare the middle item to the target. And we say, right, the middle item, the target is greater than the middle item, or it comes after the middle item. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut off the first half of the data set, including the middle item. So adios there to that. And then what you've got to do when doing that is, when you've gone in that branch of the if statement, you've now got to set the low to the middle value, which was 6 plus 1, giving you 7. Anyway, repeat steps 1 and 2 on the new data set. So again, we've got to find the middle item here. Use low plus high floor division 2. Low now is, well, when you went in the if statement, you said the mid plus 1. We'll see it again in a bit more detail, is 7. And the high is 12. 7 and 12 is 19. Floor division 2. So 7 and 12, 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. But floor division 2 gives you 9, taking the whole number part of it. So the middle item is located in index position 9 now. And that is 81. And so we compare the middle item to our target, which is 76. It comes after our target. So we cut off the second half of the data set from here to the end. Bye-bye to it. And we're left with just 2 numbers now, and we've got to repeat steps 1 and 2 on this new data set. So now we're going to say, okay, again, use the low plus high floor division 2. And I should have mentioned, well, we'll see it in the proper algorithm in a minute, that this time when we cut off to the right, what we do is we set the high now to whatever the middle value was, minus 1. So if we're going in here now, we're going to say the low is 7, the high is 8, that's 15. And 15 divided by 2 is 7.5, but 15 floor division 2 is 7. So the median is located, or the middle item is located in position 7, which is 76. We do our comparison, and this time we find out that 76 equals 76. We found what we've got. We end the search. The target has been found. And there is a general overview of how it works.